Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your life. Friends, my today's video is creative, unique, beautiful and stylish in itself, because in this video I'm going to give you creative and amazing ideas of how you can make beautifully dressed your babies, how you can do a very beautiful and classy design ideas of your own baby girl. In other words, I am going to give you some beautiful suggestions that how you are going to become a designer of your own baby, and at the same time your baby would feel comfort, stylish and eye-catchy, so you will be proud of your self-designing. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and by subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, now let's move back towards our main concern, that is how you can design your baby girl dresses. Friends, all of these designs are totally favorable for the whole year designing of your baby girls, independent of the season. You are going to see amazing and creative visuals of beautifully handcrafted, handmade, thread work, hand embroidered designs of baby girls frocks, shirts and tops as well. So friends, you can use the fabric for summers as well, like lawn, linen, organic cotton, and for midsummers you can use cotton satin, you can use light khadar, you can use trendy as well, and for purely winter touch you can use wool, handmade, hand knitted crochet stuffs as well, and some sort of hard woolen materials that are warm for your baby and soft and comfy at the same time. If we talk about the embroidery stitches, then the simplest and easier and beginner friendly embroidery stitches have been used to design these. Satin stitch, 3D embroidery flowers have also been used by using the art of crochet embroidery and Brazilian embroidery and some type of twisted knots and touches. So I hope that you like my today's ideas, and my today video consists and covers entirely basically beautiful and eye-catchy patterns of stitching design ideas as well. So I hope that you find my today's video helpful and you have gotten many creative ideas that how you can stitch your baby girl dresses and how you can make your baby girl dresses more beautiful with the help of hand embroidery, hand art. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.